Welcome to Do the Math America. I am Charlene, the Math Shaman. We look at sequences and number patterns from the beginning algebra book, pages 52 through 54. Please check the link in the description box below this video for a PDF file of this textbook. Sequences and number patterns. Patterns appear in nature and our daily life. Studying sequences and number patterns help us to identify, understand patterns, and make predictions. Okay, at this point, I encourage you to read the rest of this text on your own so that you can take some time to look at the numbers more carefully. I will draw your attention, however, to the Fibonacci sequence that is described here because it is related to the golden ratio and how that is seen in nature. In the Fibonacci sequence, each number in the sequence is the sum of the two preceding numbers. There are many videos on the Fibonacci sequence and golden ratio on YouTube, and you might find it fun to look into those a little bit. So the Fibonacci sequence starts as 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, and 13, etc. So 1 plus 1 equals 2, and then 1 plus 2 equals 3. 2 plus 3 equals 5, 3 plus 5 equals 8, 5 plus 8 equals 13, and so on. The next row of numbers of the Fibonacci sequence, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, etc., are also derived from the sum of those two preceding numbers. And then the third row of numbers comes from adding the first two rows of numbers. So 1 plus 2 equals 3, 1 plus 3 equals 4, 2 plus 5 equals 7, 3 plus 8 equals 11, 5 plus 13 equals 18, 8 plus 21 equals 29, and 13 plus 34 equals 47, and etc. The Fibonacci sequence gets more complicated beyond this point and is beyond the scope of this video. I will now demonstrate the examples of sequences and number patterns from page 53. Find the next 5 terms of sequence 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. The terms increase by 2 and the differences are constant. So the next 5 terms are 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. Find the next 5 terms of sequence 106, 95, 84, 73, 62. The terms decrease by 11 and the differences are constant. So the next 5 terms are 51, 40, 29, 18, and 7. Find the next 5 terms of sequence 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, etc. The differences are not constant. The next 5 terms are continued by adding 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So the next 5 terms are 21, 28, 36, 45, and 55. And we write out the solution clearly. Find the next 5 terms of sequence 2, 6, 12, 20, 30, etc. The differences are not constant. The next 5 terms are continued by adding 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. So the next 5 terms are 42, 56, 72, 90, and 110. I invite you to look at example 5 on your own. And now we discuss the exercises on page 54. Do as many of these exercises as you need to get a firm grasp of the material. The chapter exercises on page 55 give you a chance to do some more practice problems to reinforce the material we covered in our earlier lessons. the greatest common factor, and least common multiple. For both of these problem sets, please check your answers with those in the back of the book to make sure you did the problems correctly. If you find this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this channel with anyone you know who wants to learn math. Thank you for watching my video.